Hey, what's up everybody? Today, fitness coach Tina Tang is going to show you some simple exercises you can do at your desk to stretch out your hips that are so stiff from sitting in a chair for hours on end. Tina calls them exercise snacks because you can do them in less than 5 minutes between your Zoom calls. I'm Risa, Morimoto, your host, and you're watching Modern Aging, where we chat about innovative and holistic ways to optimize our health and well-being as we age. When you click on that little red button below that says subscribe on it with that little bell next to it, you'll be sure to be notified whenever a new episode is uploaded. You can also sign up onto our email list and get the news of our latest and upcoming programs at our website at thisismodernaging.com. So stand up for this one and try the exercises with her. Your body will thank you. Check it out.
The lines between home life and work life continue to be blurred while we're in quarantine. And if you continue to be finding yourself working behind the desk for hours on end or stuck between Zoom calls, I've got an idea for you. We've talked about it in a previous post about exercise snacks. I want you to consider exercise snacks as something that's great for your heart and body health. Recent research has shown that dispersing little bursts of activity throughout the day, even though you're going to be sitting all day, is extremely beneficial to your metabolism and your heart health. So I showed 4 exercises in the post above, and today I'm going to show you 3 more. So under the assumption that you've been sitting all day and not really doing much, especially with your legs, these 3 today will get your heart rate up and also work your legs. Exercise 1, I'm going to push my chair away. So this is one of my favorites. They're called Good Mornings, and what they do is they wake up your whole posterior chain. You've been sitting, so this whole area hasn't been working. Hands behind your head, pull your elbows back so you got a nice broad chest. See the word beast? You want to be able to see the words across your shirt? I'll show you from the side view. My knees will go bend and my butt will go back. This is going to stretch out your hamstrings and glutes. We're going to do 10. 4, 5, 6. You see how my head is in a very natural position. I'm not straining it forward. I lost count. I think I got one more. All right, so you can do Good Mornings. Another option, you're going to grab 2 heavy books, but that will fit in your palms of your hand. Mine are volumes of the LBJ biography. You're going to reach for the floor and straight up. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really reach. 8, 9. Anytime you bring things overhead, you can really get your heart rate up. And the last thing I'm going to show you today, lunges. Now I know not everyone can get as deep as this, and it's okay. First of all, you are able to use assistance, so I'm going to just go as low as I can. So even if it's only partial, you're still going to benefit. So ideally, you want to get where you almost touch the ground, but you don't have to. All right, see? Now I'm going to switch to the other side. And there's nothing wrong with using assistance. For some people it's better for balance, but you're still going to benefit from the exercise. 6, 7, 8. Just go as low as you can. It's okay if it's not too deep. And there you go. 3 exercises that you can sprinkle in besides the ones from the previous post. Remember, sprinkle those activities throughout the day. It will be good for your heart.